It is December 31st. The evening is quiet and calm at home. I feel happy. Tonight, I will celebrate New Year with my friends. I start cleaning the living room. Everything should look nice. I pick up small things from the floor and put them away. I dust the table and shelves. They look shiny now. I arrange chairs and sofa. The room looks ready for celebration. I smile. The lights I put yesterday look warm and cozy. I think about what snacks to prepare for the party tonight. I blow up colorful balloons and hang them on the wall. I put a Happy New Year banner above the sofa. I take cookies, fruits, and chocolates to the table. I arrange them nicely. The table looks bright and cheerful. I light a few candles. The room feels warm and festive. I smile. Everything is ready for the party tonight. I take a small break. I drink water and feel happy. I check the clock. It is still early, but the night will be fun. I hear a knock at the door. My friends are here. I open the door. I smile and say, "Happy New Year!" They smile and say, "Happy New Year, too." I invite them inside. I say, "Come, let's have fun tonight." I take their coats and put them on the hanger. We sit in the living room and talk about our year. We laugh at funny stories. I feel happy and cheerful. I serve snacks and juice to my friends. Everyone smiles. I turn on soft, colorful lights. They look warm and cheerful. I play a Happy New Year song. The music is soft and nice. I dance a little while arranging the lights. I feel happy. I adjust the volume. It is not too loud for my friends. I smile. The room looks ready and fun for the celebration. My friends clap and cheer. I feel excited. I pour juice for everyone. The snacks smell delicious. We chat happily. I enjoy this joyful evening. The clock is almost midnight. I look at it carefully. I feel excited. My friends are talking and laughing around me. I say, 10, 9, 8, and we all start counting together. My heart beats fast. I am ready for the new year. 3, 2, 1, Happy New Year! I shout joyfully. We cheer and hug each other. Everyone is smiling and happy. I feel happy. The new year has started. I look at the lights around me. I take a deep breath and enjoy this wonderful moment. I pick up my glass of juice. I want to make a toast. I say, "Happy New Year! Cheers to happiness and health!" We clink our glasses together. Everyone smiles brightly. I drink slowly. The juice is sweet and refreshing. My friends laugh and cheer. The room is full of joy. I feel happy. This is a perfect start to the year. I look at the decorations. They sparkle under the lights. I take a deep breath and enjoy this wonderful moment. I turn on more music. A lively song starts to play. I move my hands and feet. I start dancing slowly. My friends dance too. We laugh and feel happy. I spin around and smile. The room is full of excitement. I look at the clock. It is just after midnight. We enjoy the music together. I feel energetic and joyful. I clap my hands to the beat. My friends do the same. I think, this night is very special and fun. After dancing, I serve more snacks to my friends. I take a plate of fruits and cookies to the table. I pour juice into small glasses for everyone. I smile as my friends start eating and chatting. I pick a cookie and taste it. It is very sweet. I enjoy the fruits. They are fresh and juicy. I feel happy. Sharing food makes everyone feel good. I look around and see smiles on all faces. I ask my friends, "What is your favorite memory of last year?" They share their stories. I listen carefully and smile. I laugh at funny stories. Everyone laughs with me. I say, "I am happy to spend New Year with all of you." We talk about our plans for this year. It feels good. I notice how warm and cozy the room feels tonight. I offer juice again. Everyone enjoys it. I think, this is a night I will always remember. It is late now. My friends start saying goodbye. I say, "Thank you for coming. Happy New Year again." We hug each other. I feel happy and calm. My friends leave. I wave goodbye with a big smile. I clean a little. I put dishes and snacks away. I turn off some lights. The room feels peaceful again. I take a deep breath and sit down. I think, what a wonderful start to the new year. I sit on the sofa and think about the night. I feel happy. The party was small, but very joyful. I remember all the laughs and hugs from my friends. I sip some water slowly. I feel relaxed now. I look at the decorations one last time tonight. I feel thankful for these moments. I think about my wishes for this year. I smile and hope for a good year ahead. It is late now. I change into comfortable clothes. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I feel sleepy, but happy. Today was a good day. I look at the clock. It is just after midnight. I put my phone and keys on the table. I check the lights one last time. Everything is off. I get into bed. It feels warm and cozy. I think, tomorrow will be another fun day. I wake up on January 1st. The sun is shining. I feel happy and rested. What a good night. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. I look outside. The trees are bright in the morning light. I hear birds singing. It feels peaceful. I smile and think about today's plans. I go to the kitchen to have breakfast. I feel excited to start the first day of the year. I pour some orange juice into my glass. It looks fresh. I toast some bread. It smells warm and nice. I put butter on my toast. I like it soft and tasty. I make a small fruit salad with apples and oranges. I sit at the table and enjoy my breakfast slowly. I feel happy. The first meal of the year is delicious. I think about calling my family later to wish them. I smile and enjoy the calm morning. After breakfast, I take my phone and sit comfortably. I call my parents to wish them a happy new year. I smile and speak slowly. I feel warm inside. I say, "I hope this year brings health and peace." I listen carefully and nod while they talk. I laugh softly at their kind words. I say goodbye with love and happiness. I feel thankful for my family today. I put on my jacket and step outside for fresh air. The sky looks clear and bright this morning. I walk slowly and enjoy the quiet street. I see neighbors smiling and waving at each other. I wave back and say, "Happy New Year!" The air feels cool and fresh on my face. I take a deep breath and feel relaxed. This year feels calm and hopeful already. I return home and sit near the window quietly. I think about what I want this year. I want to stay healthy and happy. I want to spend more time with family and friends. I want to learn new things every day. I feel calm while thinking about these goals. I believe small steps can make big changes. I smile and feel ready for the year. The day feels calm and peaceful now. I make some tea and sit quietly. I look back at the celebration and smile. I feel thankful for the people in my life. I feel hopeful about the new year ahead. I take a sip of tea and relax. I say softly, "Welcome, New Year." I smile, feeling calm, happy, and ready.